Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing great. So, after a really long time, I'm back in routine. So, I thought of making this video. And nowadays, I'm waking up at 6 a.m. I know it's a bit late for me, but it's okay. So, after waking up, I did all my morning rituals and I was free and back on my study table at 7:45 or so, and I started my day with news. First from Indian Express and then other apps. Like you can use any app which you feel comfortable with, or you can directly go to YouTube and you can like have a recap of news, or you can read an actual newspaper. I prefer apps, and I think Indian Express is best. And after reading news, I also read two articles, and after that I attempted two sectional mocks of English. And in first I scored 16, and in second score was 19. I it was 19. Man, the gap was too long, and now I'm making mistakes that I usually don't, like really silly mistakes. So I think it would take me around 10 to 15 days before I get to score around 25. Let's see. So I sat till 10 and then went for bath and for my lunch. So, some of you may call it a brunch because of like having lunch before 12, but for me it is my lunch. And I was back around 12 and then started revising my reasoning. Man, after my cold mocks, I realized that I completely need to redo my reasoning, like complete reasoning. And I think it will take me a week or so. And after that, I'll start with my quants. Like, quant sucks. But first of all, I want to finish my English. Like, that is already kind of good. And I want to complete my reasoning. And after that, I'll start with my quant. I hope, like before April ends, I'll be done with my reasoning and English, and after that all I'll be left with is quant. Let's see how good I get before exams. So I sat for around 3:30 and then took a small break and decided to watch Nobody. And now you can guess that small break continued for so long. Like, but man, Nobody's like an amazing movie, like an amazing. Genre is pretty similar to John Wick, but it is very different and it has its own style. Like Bob Odenkirk just rocks in this role. And after that I watched last episode of Falcon and Winter Soldier, which really disappointed me. I was rooting for Walter, but Marvel made this show and narration was completely dictated by that BLM movement. Like I can feel that thing. Like that whole scenario has escalated way too much in USA. So the whole show was like dictated by that movement. Basically, you can say I ruined my time after 3:30. And finally I sat at 9:20 after my dinner and exercise and all everything, and read Sapiens till 10, and then completed my journal and planned for the next day. So that was my day. I hope your time was best utilized. See you in the next one.